I haven't checked on this one in a while. It's a little out of my way. But sometimes when you see one of these orange cones next to something or on top of something, it indicates that the city might be coming in to do some kind of work, some kind of cleanup. Like you'll see a cone like this on top of a freshly opened pothole or something, or a huge bump in the road. I don't know. So maybe somebody finally caught wind of this one, and it's maybe going away soon, once and for all. I don't know though, because the cone can be a bit of a mystery. It could be somebody who's using it to reserve a parking space or something, which is such an asshole thing to do. This one was an underdog in more ways than one, but it was owned by a company called Underdog Payphone, and there you see the IPANY logo. Independent Payphone Association of New York, of which Underdog was at one time a member. Yeah, right. Oh, where's my jackpot? Come on. The landline looks like it's still... Oh, that sun is killing me. The landline is all still there, but it's been dead for a long time. So I'll have to check back again to see if the cone is a portent of removal.